Ready to unlock massive savings on your mobile service this Black Friday? Let's dive into US Mobile's Black Friday event, where you can score incredible deals on data plans, devices, and accessories. First things first, head over to US Mobile's website. The link's conveniently in the description below. This year, US Mobile is offering discounts on a variety of their data plans. Look for the plans marked with a Black Friday banner or a special discount tag. You might find unlimited plans at drastically reduced prices or significant savings on their custom plans where you only pay for what you need. But the deals don't stop there. Black Friday is a great time to upgrade your phone or grab some new accessories. US Mobile often offers discounts on select smartphones, smartwatches, and accessories like chargers, cases, and screen protectors. Keep an eye out for bundled deals too. Sometimes you can save even more by purchasing a phone and a data plan together. These deals are typically available for a limited time only, so don't wait too long to make your decision. Pay close attention to the promotions and date to avoid missing out. Also, be sure to check for any referral programs or additional promotions US Mobile might be running during Black Friday. You might be able to stack discounts and save even more money. Saving money on your mobile service has never been easier. Happy shopping, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and deals.